and it does Home Assistant. Here I go to plate and it shows me the cameras at the house. Ladies and gentlemen, male, female, we're here to talk about the HKMLC whiteboard. We got this in for review. It comes with 2 pens. They are magnetic to the stand. We do have the Play Store up and running, but as you can see, not all apps work with the HKMLC whiteboard. I tried Reolink and it says add to wish list. I'm not actually going to add it to my wish list, but we're able to get the Play Store up and running. You can download games, apps, other things that you're looking for. I downloaded the Good and the Beautiful Homeschool app, which we do use. It's already installed. I'm not logged into it yet because we aren't using it. I do the screen share and I'll show that in a little while. And it does Home Assistant. We were able to download the app, get it up and running. Let's let it load, give it just a minute. This is my patio where I turn on my back fans, my pool lights, all the things that Travis set up for me. Here I go to plate and it shows me the cameras at the house. He's got a few of them loaded up for me so where I can just sit here and watch this if I want to. Of course, change this dashboard up to look however you want it to, but this is how Travis set it up for me to use and to show on the whiteboard. I am unable to do these types of things, so he does do it for me. I can click on the camera and it'll make it a little bit bigger. I can download the snapshot if I want to of what's happening. It is in real time. Here's our front doorbell. As you can see, it's 9:02 p.m. 9:02, and then they all say 9:02. It showed me somebody rolling by on a bicycle earlier. You'll get to see a lot of the back of my head with this review because, well, it's a whiteboard. This is the last license plate that drove past our house, and I'm not sure what should be up here, but it's not. Oh, it shows the license plate of the car that it was on. Hopefully soon we'll be able to get it where we can get the speed of these people as well, because the person I am, I take those people who run this stop sign right here, this one, and then I'll post them to Facebook and Nextdoor and try and humiliate them because they run a stop sign at a corner where children play. I don't like it. This is all of the things Travis has for home becomes very handy when people are breaking the law in front of your home. It's very unsafe for OG to be playing in our front yard and all those people run the stop sign. It comes with the time on the display, date, the day, note, file manager, screen share, and browser. It's a really cool whiteboard, and I'm going to show you some of the features coming up. You can open up notes, and these are handy dandy nifty. Whenever you want to write, we write. OG does his math and some of his schoolwork on here. It's very convenient. It's got an eraser. I can erase all. Pen. Got a ruler. I can stick a ruler up here. Add a shape. Make it as big as I want. I can partition it where Owen and I can do different things at different times. If we want to play a game or we want to see who can get the math problem done faster, things like that. Some of the other features are the Play Store, the eShare, the browser. They've got a cloud drive where you can add your Google account or a Microsoft account and get your files directly here. They do have a screen share. I already have this set up on my computer, and we are now sharing our screen. Here is the HKMLC whiteboard. Now the question is, would I purchase one? For $16.49? Yes, I would. It does a lot of things. And it keeps notes, has settings thing, it has WPS Office. It has 3 HDMI plugs and a Type-C and a VGA. Makes it really simple to hook up and go, or the screen share and go. It's a very nifty product. For $16.49, sure, I'd buy one. The extra $400 stand, no, I wouldn't buy one. If it didn't come with this, I wouldn't have taken the whiteboard because the cheesy little stand that comes to hang it on the wall was never going on my wall. It would have never held up this TV on my wall. So I like the stand. I like the whiteboard. It makes it very good. We can use the browser. Oh look, we've already got DigiBlur up and running on the page. Let's see. Got DigiBlur DIY. And we can search for the things we need for school, or we can search for the things we want, like DigiBlur DIY. And just search. It's got a file manager. You can come in here and store, you can, like I said, you can plug in your phone with a Type-C or HDMI or some USBs to your laptop or computer, and you can store your documents in here, phones, podcasts. You can even hook up a webcam if you're teaching and you want your students to want to be able to record. It did come with a remote and 2 of the pins that are magnetic. When doing the eShare, this is how it pops up on my computer. I just hit connect, screen share, hit share screen. I find the lesson that I need for Owen to do that day. Today it's lesson 112 and full screen. You may be looking shortly. I just come over here and pause it on my computer, and then I can, as you can see, my mouse is there. I'm working everything from my computer. So this is the screen share part. This is my computer over on my desktop. Whenever Owen needs a lesson, I go in and I find the video for it on the website. I hit play for my computer and I make this full screen, and it works perfectly for the video lesson. We only do this for math, but it makes it very convenient for him to be able to watch the video lesson rather than on his little screen of phone that he normally uses. It's a very handy device. Take notes, keeper. We do use the timer whenever Owen has, OG has a test or has a quiz he has to take and it needs to be timed. We do use the stopwatch. I haven't been able to use the record yet. I don't have a webcam hooked up. I can freeze the frame, I can crop the screen, I can split the screen. I could do a poll kit, like if Owen and I want to do a poll on something. Fast file transfer makes it real easy to transfer files. You just scan the QR code and it puts it into your documents on here. It's very convenient for for any subject. All you do is scan the QR code and put it on the whiteboard, and your students then have what you want them to see. It does have WPS Office. This is cool, where I can use all the things I need. Oh, convert a PDF to Word, convert PDF to PPTs, PDFs to Excels. It looks like I can use these things. I don't know. Let's see. See what mirror is. You can mirror the screen of an iPhone, iPad, or iTouch to the TV. I don't have any of those devices. We're Android people over here. So this is completely useless to us. All right, I think that pretty much covers the HKMLC. Like I said, it's a very useful whiteboard. We've come to use it every day now that we've received it, and find new features on it every day as well. We use the notepad, the whiteboard very much. We use Home Assistant the most. I use it the most whenever we're here to watch the cameras at home. But OG does like the whiteboard. He likes to be able to work out his math problems on the board like he was in regular school and not homeschooling, which makes it an advantage for us.